Hello in dingin today. Ngak lai hi silver play button unboxing ai nei dinga nia bulain to kina top chen melo en pek ding trong feel che wane unboxing ai nei zo pale rule try video vision ming thon hai en bok dinga ne. Big thanks to Google team. Thank you so much. To chun lawmthu pakhat zuk relate hi gift ai tam deu ka mai na uma anni hi zuk shout out ate. Thank you King Kennel Studio. Anni hin hi silver play button hi an ming thak pe ka hi cheu hi nilawin gifin ming pek sa bokan ni no sin chu hi cheu hi ka dong dinga na chulei chunan channel hi juk shout out ite. Please subscribe King Kennel Studio. They are from Kong, and I'm so happy for giving me this precious gift. King Kennel Studio Yam Harawe, thank you so much for your precious gift. Gift hi kahung soding chewani hi hand sanitizer hi panin ming peka two sanitizer chun hi hin two soap sabun panin ming pek boka chun two glove box pani hi an ming pek no ka o ka hril sul na kita ka hi two sanitizer tilem ding hi chu hand wash ana, and then shampoo chun masks, face masks, and I don't know this, what is this? Thank you so much King Kennel Studio. Ani channel ka description na link sing italo ba subscribe dingin ay hungin ngena ne an fel kopel hi silver play button hung thak dingin an hunga na chu gifin ming pek sa ne nino sin la chu play button chu dinga na hi ay hung dinga ne. Let's open this. Let's see what wow, what is this glove? I think this is glove, yeah, this is glove face masks, two bottle sanitizer bottle hin hung pek no ka hi soap ngai po hin ming gifani. Thank you so much King Kennel Studio. Subscribe ngay dingo, subscribe ngay ro and fel ko pela tamay. Now I'm going to do unboxing ay ṭhuoitu dinga ni. I'm going to open we soon kan gifan ming pek like kan narvasa mo sanchon ni ka YouTube channel an nei vele kan hung vloga sap chung lawmthu ka hril ka til ka thil hril ding hai po ka thei hil wong ka hril tum ka hrit tano ni ka thei ni la ka ham ha ya mo anu upload pha chu viral al the ne ka hril tum ka thei ni la abul ting chu ka tho tha thawi tong thei ni ve rang ten we are going to open now. Wow, what is this? YouTube ain tokin lekha ei mone. Do you remember your first subscriber? Yours sincerely, Susan Wok Chikiki CEO YouTube. Susan Yok Chikiki, it's difficult to pronounce. CEO YouTube. Thank you YouTube team. Wow, this let me open ṭhangpui ite. Wow. An mung ting he an hoi kapel ama ting chu hi ne. Presented to Lalmalsawm Hmar for passing 1 lakh subscribers YouTube. Let me kiss. Thank you all. Kalom ko pela hin chen ṭhungtai dinga subscribers hi leiin iti ka hrita subscribers hai chunga lawmthu ka hrila chun subscribe dinga mi phone hai hlak pe ka subscriber me tu hai chunga khom lawmthu ka hrila chun account tam tak in nei pakhatin account tam tak in nei ti ka hrita chung hai khom chu in account hai po in hung subscribe leiin lawmthu ka hrila mun tin ram tina thanem ngai taka mi lo subscribe tu hai chunga khom lawmthu ka hrila chun video hai lo share lap tu hai khom ka thei hi no chewa in chunga lawmthu ka hril bogane hril dinga tam ka ngai pu lein lawmthu ka hril te leite lawmthu hril na dinga tamana ki hril thel palate ngi hi tina mai tho dinga eireng in mu thei si no leiin atak ngei in ei hang muta ke chun ka muta arik metane. Thank you to hin this video rul try nan min thon chu low in naite.
Congratulations, Uzon. Silver play button idong leiin lawmthu talute. Wishing you the very best as you continue to make more videos for your subscribers.
John Lalmalsawm Hmar 1 lakh subscribers hai chen nei the lawmthu tak zet che a chun itum ru na le I hlo thling na le ya silver play button hai chen dong the ayum hilung relati tak zetin lawmthu bawk che chun alo en to hai po khan ei lo support le comments thatak tak hai elo pek pe the na dingin lo like in lo subscribe pek seng ro.
Uzona 1 lakh subscriber in a hi lawmthu tuk che a chuanin silver play button idong hi ka thinlung takin lawmthu bawk che.
Hello Uzon. First of all, I want to congratulate you because you finally have 1 lakh subscriber on YouTube. That's very great, and I am so happy for you because not everyone has the opportunity to receive that amount of subscriber on YouTube, but you finally made it. And yeah, I've seen your efforts and your hard work that you have put to your channel, and then I really like your videos. I watched almost all of it, and your videos are fun and entertaining, and also it's really good, and I wish you the best even in the future. I hope you make more videos that would make people feel happy, and fun and entertaining videos, and inspiring videos that would have a lot of impact to a lot of people. So that is all I can say. Who knows, you might reach 1 million subscriber also. You might have it in the future, who knows. So I wish you the best even in the future. Make more videos, keep the good work going. Yeah, that's all I can say. And lastly, again, congratulations.
John Lalmalsawm Hmar YouTube channel subscriber lakchung lai hai nei hi lawmthu hle chi a chun silver play button khom hi iphu li in ka shita idong ngei boka lawmthu tak ze che ani hingang hlotling na I chang theina dinga imalak dan le changlak dan hai ka ngai tu in pa ki umin and ton tlak takini mi hai ta dinga malsawm na voitam tak ilong ni talaka nizom peiding le thil chai tho hai sunzom peiding in kadi sakna ka hun lan che ani chun atop na taka dingin lawmthu tak ze che
tlang ba Lalmalsawm YouTube channel la 1 lakh subscriber in a la silver play button hai chen dong thei dinga pathin mal asom leichen lawmthu tak che hine ka tamlem dong pai dingin disangna kong lan che.
Hi John, congratulations for achieving 1 lakh subscriber on your YouTube channel, and also congratulations for your silver play button. All the best for your future.
Hi John, it's me Lucy. I know that you got that silver play button from YouTube, and congratulations for that. You are a hardworking person, smart and talented. You truly deserve it, and I appreciate it. So I wish you very best for your future, for your futures ahead.
Hello John Lalmalsawm. YouTube channel silver play button hai chen dong phaka yumi lawmthu chia chun hing chen dong thei dinga itai mak na le injim na hi sum ka ti tak zet che nam ta dinga ro hlu iting tak zetin ka ngai sang hle che kan sung in kan lawmthu che
Lalmal John Lalmalsawm paring medal abela belsi adonga lawmthu tak iset ane Tulay tun bidong sinro tia kong si mani John Lalmalsawm dingin. Tulay tun ki komplang wal Michael hul ngau Hmar. Tapa. Elok taon ki ala hulay John Lalmalsawm. Ma tun ki kong medel ora or tim chok pe dinga tia. tu te nei lockdown hi ila bui leiin amilan chok te sino kala jong no ani lockdown hi lockdown in hong pha pha la vai han thun no dor na dor an hong pha pha la dor la ma tom jong da mi den ora or ti tu min to pe ve na ta turin ka jong ve ngani ti kha ni hu tu ke wani dor la ma tom me ten abela bel ti tu ala u dong a khola mi mani và khi nào thì lấy thêm ông minh phổ na mình thì là cái lòng tắc giật cái lâu lòng pui tắc cái này rồi làm tổng mà cho cái lòng pui đèn thì không được tiền cái lòng mình ôn là về tham tập và không cam bằng được cái lòng mình
Oli khang hai bawk hai unboxing ai ṭhuoitu ni sin la ringa chunga lawmthu ka hrila amila subscribe no hai khan milo subscribe in la video nal tak tak le munum tak tak ai la hung upload pe dinga ni len thangtlang ai tiu ti chu em hril thei ni sin la karik pui dim ka hrin no karik pui chun chu hi asira hi ngainatna ki milo at palatikan lau elmara sunga sing kata kala tar dok vat no dengan min milo in rupek palante thank you all have a nice day bye bye in ring bye bye ka lawm cheu